Hi everyone, today we will learn how to install Visual Studio on a Windows operating system. To install Visual Studio, we first need to install the Visual Studio installer. So let's open Chrome browser and search Visual Studio 2022. So click on the first link, it will take us to Visual Studio homepage. Click on the downloads button. So here you can see we have three different edition of Visual Studio. Community, Professional, Enterprise. So we will select Community Edition as it is free to use. So click on the free download button. See, download will start. So you can see download started. So I want to highlight that you will need at least 4 GB of data to complete the installation of Visual Studio. Once download is completed, open the downloaded exe file to begin the installing of the Visual Studio installer. So you can see exe is downloaded. We will open it. Click yes. Click continue. So you can see like Visual Studio installer installation started. First it will download some specific files to install it. Okay, see downloaded. It's downloaded. Now installing. So you can see this kind of GUI you will get. So here we want to create a console application in Visual Studio. So we select .NET Desktop Development Package, and you can see we have install button here. But before that, we have to keep in mind that we should have at least 6.73 GB of space in our uh, memory. So let install it. So you can see here it is downloading as well as installing this Visual Studio Community 2022 simultaneously. So we will wait for download. Here you can see download is completed. Installation is about to complete. So if you want Visual Studio to launch automatically, then let this checkbox checked, otherwise uncheck it. So here I will uncheck this and we will wait for the installation to complete. You can see installation is still 72%. You can see now installation is 99% completed. So as we uncheck this box, so now we will get three buttons here. One is to modify, other one will be launch the Visual Studio, and third one will be the more option. So it is finishing up. It will take some time. Now you can see we have three options: modify, launch, more. So we will click on launch button. It will launch our Visual Studio IDE. It is not compulsory to sign in. So we will just click on skip this for now. And here you can choose your theme, whichever you like blue, light. I will select dark and click on Start Visual Studio. You can see now Visual Studio 2022 is open. So here we want to create a new project. So we will create a new project. So our target was to create a console app. So here you can see we have some filters. So let's select C Sharp as we want to create a console app using C Sharp language. And there is a project type. So if we want to create console application, we will select console. So now you can see we have two types of console app. One is the open source and other one is the framework one, which is not an open source application. So we will select console app and click next. Now you can give project name. So if you want your solution name and project name separate, you can edit this. Otherwise, it will take same as project name. So let's click next. Now we need to select the framework. So here we will try to select a version which is long-term support. So let's select the latest one, which is in long-term support. It's .NET 8.1, 8.0. Let's create. So it is creating our project. So you can see this is our Visual Studio IDE. It look like this. This is the interface. And by default, you will get program.cs class. So if you want to run your console application, just click on this button, initial. So we'll start it. You can see it is telling hello world as we are written console.writeline hello world. So this is how you can install Visual Studio on Windows operating system. So this is the video. So thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more .NET related content. Drop your questions or ideas in the comments. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video and happy coding.